So the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3's Pros just ended up coming out. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a quick breakdown on exactly how to use these particular headphones. Now, number one, they're very cool. They're very popular type of headphones, at least they're going to be. The very first thing to keep in mind is that these headphones come in their standard type of casing. So these are the standard types of case that you get inside of them. You have a clear type of top at the very top where you can see your earbuds. You have your LED light indicator on the front side. At the bottom, you have a charging port and a pairing button as well. So you have both. You can go ahead and actually pair up, these headphones to different devices by holding down the pairing button. On the back side, you don't really have anything except some regulatory information. Now, to open up this case, you can use one hand to basically, hold the case itself and flip open the case like this. Inside of the case, you're going to basically get these two types of earbuds inside. So it's going to have these two types of earbuds. And what you can do is, if you want to go and take them out of the earbud or the case, you just kind of have to grab them by the side like this and kind of pull them out. Once they're out, they're going to automatically connect to your device if it's already connected. And I'll show you how to connect it. Now you can take both of these out, put them in your ear and kind of use them as you normally would. But if you want to just kind of get used to it, you have to make sure that if you want to plug them back in, you plug them into the right side. So they won't click into the side if you don't click them in right. So follow the right trail. The right one goes on the right side, the left one goes on the left side. You cannot interplace them. They do not go side by side. So keep that in mind. Now, on top of that, when you take them out of their case like this and you shut the case, what will basically happen is these things will try to find the device they'll connect to. Now you have a little LED light indicator thing on the side of these things, which is kind of cool. So at least some of them have it, which is kind of cool to see. Inside of them too, you can go ahead and if you want to take out these ear tips and replace them, you can go through and kind of flip them inside out like this. And then what you can do is kind of pull them out kind of like so, and they'll kind of just come out on their own. Then if you want to repair them or reconnect them, you just kind of have to find the two things, kind of connect them just like this, and slide these things back in like so. And now you've just paired up a new pair of ear tips to them. Now if you want to pair them up with your device, this is pretty easy. You plug them back into their case like so. So you just plug them in just like this. It can be a little bit of a process sometimes. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically bring your other device closer. If it's a Samsung phone and it's pretty new, if you go and kind of even bring it kind of close to your particular device, it'll go ahead and try to find it and pair it up. But if for some reason it doesn't show up, hold down that pairing button on the bottom of your earbuds. Go inside of your settings and you'll be able to connect them via your settings, that way in your Bluetooth settings. So that's pretty much how you use your particular earbuds. You can then go through and modify more settings inside of the Buds 3 Pro Manager application inside of your Samsung phone, or inside of your Bluetooth settings inside of your standard Google Pixel or iPhone. So that pretty much covers up how to use these headphones. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.